The Council of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Chapter 8. Bishops shall execute the pious dispositions of all persons, shall visit all manner of pious places, if not under the immediate protection of kings. The bishops, even as the delegates of the Apostolic See, shall, in the cases by law permitted, be the executors of all pious dispositions, whether made by last will, or between the living. They shall have a right to visit all manner of hospitals, colleges, and confraternities of laymen, even those which are called schools, or which go by any other name; but not, however, those places which are under the immediate protection of kings, except with their permission. Also the eleemosynary institutions called Monts de Piete, or of charity, and all pious places by whatsoever name designated, even though the aforesaid institutions be under the care of laymen, and though the said pious places be protected by a privilege of exemption, and by virtue of their office, they shall take cognizance of, and see to the performance, in accordance with the ordinances of the sacred canons, of all things that have been instituted for God's worship, for the salvation of souls, or for the support of the poor; any custom, even though immemorial, or privilege, or statute whatsoever to the contrary, notwithstanding.